Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Today we are going to learn how to draw elephants using a fun and easy method. We'll be tracing an elephant picture to make it super simple. You will need a printed picture of an elephant, a sheet of paper, pencil, eraser and markers or crayons. First, find a nice picture of an elephant that you like. Look for one with clear lines and simple shapes. Place your printed elephant picture on a flat surface. Put your blank sheet of paper over the picture. Now take your pencil and carefully trace around the outline of the elephant. Start with the big oval shape for the body, then trace the ears, legs and trunk. Drawing elephants can be easy and fun, especially when you start by tracing. Keep practicing and soon you will be drawing elephants all on your own. Have fun and enjoy your artwork. If you want to, you can use markers or crayons to color in your elephant drawing. Choose your favorite color and make it look awesome.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun contents.